you can say Bob J. So we have a different naming convention for Bob J. So people call it as a BI, BO. Some people call it as SAP BI. Okay. Some people call it as a BO, or some people call it as a business objects. Everything is same. There's no difference. Okay. And SAP BW is a different.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, yeah, that's exactly my question.
Yeah, SAP BW is a different totally. So that required a lot of time to learn. But whereas you can learn the BO within a 1 month, you can take this course in BW. BI is so BI or BO, whatever you can say. So it may not take much time, but whereas the BW, so you have to spend a lot of time to understand this. It's not a small subject. Okay, so minimum it will take 3 months. Again, for practice it will take another 2 months. So you have to spend at least 5 to 6 months to start career with the BW. But whereas the BO, it's like a very small concept which you can complete it in 1 month, and you can start applying for jobs within a 1 month itself, after 1 month itself. Okay, and
fantastic.
So yeah, this requires a lot of time to understand, and you need to spend a lot of time.
What is BOBJ?
It's the same.
Is it BOBI or BOBJ?
BOBJ, SAP BI BO, SAP BI, SAP Business Objects. Business Objects is the same.
They're all the same.
Everything is
sounds
same.
Good. Okay then.
But the BW is different.
Okay.
This is different. Okay. So what we do?
Sounds good.
Yeah, and also we have SAP HANA. Say we have Oracle database. Say we have SQL Server DB. Okay. So what we do? We are going to connect to these databases. What do we do? We are going to connect to this database and create the reports. Got it? SAP HANA.
Yeah.
Also, we are going to connect to the Oracle. We are going to connect to the SQL Server. This all store the data. It stores the data. It holds the data. So we are going to connect to this database and create the reports using the BO tool, or using the BI tool, or you can say using the BO tool, or you can say BobJ tool. Okay, these are same. Names are different. Names are different. Okay, these all are same. Names are different. Okay, say I call Bob. Myself I call BobJ. Maybe Baba might call BABO. Maybe Krishna may call BA, or some people called BO. Okay, so with the different naming convention, but these are the different data sources where we can connect and develop reports. Got it?
So a particular company can be using SAP BWI. A particular company another company can use SAP HANA. Another company can use Oracle or SQL DB.
Yeah, these are the different databases where they store the data.
Okay.
So basically, say
that's good.
There they have to store the data. Say example, a company, let's say suppose X company, they store all the data using SAP BW system. Maybe some Y company, they store all the data SAP HANA source, SAP HANA database.
Okay.
They might store the data in Oracle. They might use Oracle to store their data. Some companies, they might store all the data in SQL Server. But as a BI developer, as a report developer, irrespective of the database, we can connect to the DB and create the reports. For us, Either it is a BW, either it is SAP HANA, either it is Oracle or SQL Server. For us, it is the same only for developing reports. Okay. Say example, I need each department. How many employees are there? Number of employees is there. What is the total salary I'm paying each department? Okay. So this data is going to store into, let's say, this data is available in SAP HANA. So what we do, we open the Webby BO report tool. Okay. So what we do in a BO, there is a reporting tool called Webby. So we open the Webby tool. So connect to the SAP HANA database and create the reports. That's it. Okay. Getting?
Yep.
So this all department, number of employees, salary might be there in SAP HANA system. So where we need to connect to the SAP HANA system. Or let's say another example. I want to develop a report each year wise, product wise sales. Okay. So this information is available. All this data stored into the SAP BW system. So then what we need to do? You need to open the BobJ. You need to open the BobJ tool. Okay. And open the Webby tool. And create a reports by connecting to the what? You need to connect to the SAP BW system because year-wise, product-wise sales is available in this SAP BW system. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Understand, right? I mean,
Yep.
BW, SAP HANA, Oracle, these all, it holds the data, it stores the data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Understand what I'm trying to say? Okay. Now,
yes, please.
I'm trying to show you something else now. Okay, say, I'll tell you here. I'm trying to explain how the BO works. HANA is a database. Or you know about the Oracle? Any idea about the Oracle database? Baba? Baba, can you hear me? Baba, I think you are in the mute. You are in a mute. Hello? Are you there, Baba? Can you hear me? Hello?
Okay, I can hear you now.
What about now? Can you hear me now? Hello?
I can hear you now.
You can hear
Yes,
me,
I
right?
can hear you now.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Yes, please.
So these are the different databases. We have a different databases here. So we are going to connect to this different database. Okay. Let's say this is Microsoft SQL Server. Do you know anything about Oracle database? Do you heard about SQL Server?
Yes, I know about the. Yes, please. I've used it before.
Okay. Okay. You use
I
the
know about
before.
SQL Server, how to. Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. So what we do, so we are going to connect to these different databases. Okay. In a BO, we are using the universe. In a BO tool, one of the tool called the universe, we create the universe by connecting to this database. So once the universe we implemented, Then we are going to create the reports, create the Webby reports. We are going to develop a reports by connecting to the universe. Okay, say suppose I have implemented 10 reports. Okay, so 10 reports. Once I create the reports by connecting to Oracle or SAP HANA SQL Server, then I am going to share the reports to the different users. Okay, so once you publish into the BO server, we are going to publish the reports in BO server. Like whatever the reports which you created, those reports you are going to publish into the BO server. Okay, then the end user going to log in with a BA Launchpad, and they can access the reports by logging to the BA Launchpad. They will open the Internet Explorer. They will open the Internet Explorer, and they open the BA Launchpad. Through the BA Launchpad, they can access the reports which is available in the BO server. Okay, got it?
Yes, please.
First we need a database, which is SAP HANA or Oracle, and we create the universe. In the BO, we have a tool called the universe. Okay, so once you develop a universe by connecting to the SAP HANA, then we develop a Webby reports. Web Intelligence is one of the tool in BO. Webby is one of the tool in BO. So we'll connect to the universe and create the report. So who is going to do this? We are going to do it. Got it? So universe development,
Yes,
as we are going to do, Webby reports as we are going to do, okay, and publishing the reports in the server we are going to do, and users are going to access the reports, whatever the reports which you created. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So this is how we can do that. And also, so Webby BO is one of the reporting tool. Like that, we have a Tableau also. Tableau is another reporting tool. Okay, but here we are not using Tableau. Even I have experience in the Tableau also. But so here we are talking about the business objects is a reporting tool. Okay, got it? So this is what we are going to cover: how to develop a universe, how to develop reports, how to give the reports access to users. Got it? Any questions, Baba?
No, that's correct. I'm very okay. That's very good.
Okay, and this duration of this training is 25 to 30 hours of the session, and we'll have a session weekly, Monday to Friday. Okay, every day,
Yeah.
1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes will be having session. Okay, I'm going to give you the material. Okay, that means BO related documents. Okay, and also I will help you out with the resume preparation, how you can prepare the resume. So after completion of the training, you are going to put 10 plus years of experience in your resume in a SAP BOBJ. Okay, so your profile will be I have 10 plus years experience in BO BOBJ. That's what we are going to keep it. Okay, so that is how I am making you that as a 10 years experience person, what kind of knowledge he is having BO. So the same knowledge I'm going to share with you. Okay.
Fantastic.
Okay. So that's all about the Trends course curriculum. Any questions? What time you are available? So are you available at the same time every day?
Tell me what time is okay for you.
This time is okay. Or
Fantastic.
or also 9 sorry 8 a.m. EST also fine.
8 a.m. EST is fine for me.
Yeah. Let's
IST
plan.
or EST?
It's a EST, 8 a.m. EST. Is that okay? 8 a.m. EST, that is my time evening. Something 5:30
That's good.
p.m. EST. Yeah, 4:30 I think.
In the
My
evening,
time.
your time.
Yeah, my time evening. Yeah.
Okay, what time is it now? It's about
10:30 a.m.
10. Okay, so 10.
What time
Okay,
yours is?
so
What time
in the,
yours is?
no, I'm what time am I now? I'm 10 o'clock now, but I'm fine with your time.
Okay, perfect.
No, yeah, 8 a.m. EST is fine for me.
Okay. 8 a.m. EST is fine for you. Okay, perfect.
Now, before you go, I don't know if you are prepared. Can you just give me a quick crash course, like a demo too on BW? Or we should not do that now.
Sorry.
I said, can you give me a quick demo on on BW, just like this one?
BW, SAP BW.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I said no. BW is a little complex. Even I
Okay,
have
it's complex.
yeah, even an experience, but so no one is currently much using BW.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if you go with the Bob J, right, you have a multiple opportunities. You can work with as SAP HANA, you can work with SAP BW sources, or you can work with Oracle, or you can work with the SQL Server, okay, or you can work with the Teradata. So you have a multiple opportunities when you are as a BO developer.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, you understand, right, what I'm trying to say? But when you work with SAP BW, so you should work with only the SAP BW. Okay. So, but whereas SAP Bob's developer as a reporting developer is having multiple opportunities. Okay. So as a report developer, we can connect to the SAP HANA and create the reports, or we can connect to the SAP BW and we can create the reports.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, that's fine.
For BW, there is a separate team. SAP HANA, there is a separate team. Oracle maintenance is a separate team. SQL Server, there is a separate team. But our work starts from here. Invest development, create the reports. So we can connect to any of the data sources.
Okay.
Say
that's fine.
Example. Amazon using SAP HANA. Maybe eBay they are using Oracle. Okay, some XYZ they are using, maybe Apple they are using a BW system. But as a BO developer, you can connect to any of the data source and create the reports.
Okay.
So you need not to learn SAP HANA, you need not to learn Oracle, you need not to learn SQL Server. So we are the report developer, we just learn BO, that's it. So that's how you have multiple opportunities for BO, for career start. And once you got a job, then whatever you want to gain experience, knowledge, and you can go for a BW, you can go for SAP HANA. I prefer don't go with a BW. So BW, no one is started using. So SAP HANA is a good demand now. Got it? What I'm trying to say? You can after you get into the job BO, then you can learn SAP HANA for career growth.
Okay.
So I don't want you to go with BW. This is almost gone. No one is using this. Either once you complete the BO training, if you're really interested, you can go with the HANA, or after you got the job, maybe you can go with the Tableau, also good.
Okay.
Tableau is also good. Even I have a work experience with the Tableau as well.
Okay.
See, I have worked with the Tableau dashboards as well. I'm just open the
Okay.
existing Tableau.
So do we need a server to log on to for this BO Bob?
Yes, we need a server. We have a server also. I'll tell you. We will be giving you the server access as well.
Okay.
So I'm trying to connect to the BO server over here. I will explain actual training starts. So what exactly from basics to advanced level I'm going to cover. So I'm trying
Do
to
you have
connect to the BO server now.
Okay.
Okay. So now currently I'm in the BO server. So here you have all the components are there. You can look at here, business intelligence. You'll see the business objects folders. Okay. And also, as I said, we have a WebRich client tool. And also, as I said, universe designer tool available here. And also, as I said, you can see the BA Launchpad. Here you can see the BA Launchpad. I'll show you how. So here we are going to connect and create the reports. So there are some reports which I created already. I'll show you. You can see there is a summary report. See, I can see the summary report. If I click on 2015, it will tell you the detailed report. In 2015, how the revenue generated. Each year wise, state wise, product wise, category wise. This is the report. You'll see this. In California, for this particular product, for Los Angeles, this much of the revenue generated. This is the quantity sold. Okay.
Yeah.
And also I'm trying to open a sales dashboard here. Try to open it. So you'll see this is one of the dashboard. So I'm just want to see for California how the revenue in detail. When I click on California, so California city information should come over here in the bottom. It's an interactive dashboard. You'll see this. If I click on the Texas cities data, each quarter wise, how much is the quantity sold, what is the margin, which you can see here. Got it?
Yes, sir. That's good.
If I click on Florida city, in a Florida, how the quantity sold, what is the margin for Florida state for each quarter. See, when you click on Florida, you'll see the Florida city's sales margin information which is coming.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how we are going to develop. This is the total sales, this is the total quantity, this is the total margin. And each month wise, you'll see the quantity information, sales information. Each state wise, you can see the margin data, right? So this is how, so we are going to develop a dashboards in a BO. So where we are bringing this data might be bringing from SAP HANA. This data might be coming from the SAP BW system. This data might be retrieving from Oracle database. It can be any database.
Okay.
Okay, this is the BO reports. Okay, and this is the Tableau. You'll see this. This is the Tableau dashboards. Okay, something's happened with this. I don't know.
So let me see, where's the BO universe?
Sorry.
Where is the BO universe?
Okay, so here is the BO universe. Try to open here.
Okay. Okay, that's the whole thing.
Okay, here you can see the universe. BO universe, which I'm trying to open it. So this is the universe tool, where we use this tool to create the reports.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, here is you can see. So you will import the tables from the SAP BW system or SAP HANA system. These are the tables which is created in the BW. So I'm going to bring those BW tables and create the joins between the tables and create the classes and object here to develop reports. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. That's fantastic.
This all we are going to discuss in detail when whenever we start the regular session. Okay, and this is something Tableau. This is called about the Tableau. You can see this, right?
Now, excuse me, please. Can I talk with Mr. Krishna? I'll discuss with Mr. Krishna after we finish this 25 to 30 hours with BOBJ. Can you please spend some maybe 10 or 20 days with me on Tableau?
Yeah, Tableau is a separate course. Okay, so once we complete the BO, so I can explain the Tableau also. That is a separate course curriculum. That's a separate course.
That's good. Okay, sounds good.
Okay, that charge is a different. Okay, and the BO is separate charge and Tableau is a separate charge.
That's okay. That's fine. Just discuss with Mr. Krishna and give him everything so that I have a picture of the two.
Sorry?
I said discuss with Mr. Krishna and give him, he will tell me the total cost for the two because I want to do the two courses.
Okay, 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 got it, got it. Krishna, you're there?
Krishna, are you there?
I think he's not there.
It's okay. You just discuss with him. He will get back to me.
Okay, maybe you can call him later. You have his number, right?
I have his number. No, he will get back to me. Once I finish with you, I will discuss with him and I will tell him. So when can we start this?
Yeah, we can start immediately. Not a problem. Okay. So we can start from tomorrow itself if you are available.
Okay. Yes,
I'm
sir.
fine.
Yeah, tomorrow is okay. Tomorrow is what? Tomorrow is Monday your time?
Yes, yes, Monday my time. Yeah.
Okay, so Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. If possible, I can take the weekend as well, so I can complete as soon as possible.
Okay.
Okay, whenever I am free. Whenever I am free. So once I get your contact number, right? Whenever I have some free time, I will call you and we can have I can tell that. Okay, we can take the session like that.